Welcome gently to this meditation practice, crafted with care to guide you toward a profound sense of calm in the present moment. In this serene journey, we will explore how to release the worries that tie us to the past or pull us toward the future, inviting you instead to embrace a soothing sense of peace right now. May this be a tranquil haven, a moment entirely yours to reconnect with your inner self and rest in a comforting, nurturing state of silence. Settle into a position that feels nurturing, whether seated with an upright spine or lying down in a cozy space. And if it feels right, close your eyes to deepen your connection within. Begin with slow, gentle breaths, allowing yourself to ease into this moment of stillness. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your body with lightness. As you exhale, release any burdens, tension, or unease, as though letting go of everything you no longer need to carry. Let your breath flow effortlessly in a calm rhythm that guides you toward relaxation. As you inhale, notice the cool, refreshing air entering through your nose, softly expanding your lungs and bringing a wave of serenity that soothes both mind and heart. As you exhale, feel the warmth leaving your body, carrying away any restlessness or discomfort. Let each breath be a gentle reminder, grounding you in the present, whispering that, in this moment, all you need to do is breathe and be here with tenderness. Shift your attention to your body, starting at the crown of your head. Notice any sensations, perhaps a subtle tingling, warmth, or coolness, with curiosity and without judgment. Glide your inner gaze down to your face, softening your forehead, letting any trace of worry melt away, relaxing your eyes and releasing your jaw. Continue this quiet exploration through your neck and shoulders, inviting each part to let go and rest in ease. Move your awareness to your chest, observing the gentle rise and fall with each breath, like the tranquil sway of soft waves. May this rhythm be a comforting embrace, reminding you of the natural peace that resides within your body. Allow your attention to flow downward through your abdomen, legs, and to your feet, feeling every part of you connect with the earth, anchoring you securely in the now. Let your mind rest in this sanctuary of calm and quiet. If thoughts arise like fleeting breezes, tempting you toward memories or future plans, know that this is natural. Acknowledge them softly without clinging, and let them drift like petals on a peaceful stream. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, guide it back to the present with patience and kindness, reaffirming your presence with care. There is no rush, no goal to achieve. This is an invitation to simply be, finding peace in the beauty of existence. Now, whisper inwardly, I am here, I am in the present. I am at peace. Let these words settle in your heart like a soothing mantra guiding your next breaths, bringing serenity and clarity with each inhalation. Imagine you are drawing in a gentle light of calm, illuminating every part of your being with a restful energy. As you exhale, picture any worries, tensions, or restlessness dissolving like clouds fading in the sunlight. With every breath, feel yourself more rooted in the now, more open to the beauty of this moment. Envision a warm, nurturing light enveloping you like a soft embrace, offering comfort and protection. This light mirrors the peace that always dwells within you, ready to welcome you whenever you return to the present. To deepen this feeling, repeat these affirmations inwardly, letting them resonate within. I am at peace now. Past and future, and embrace the present. I am calm, centered, and fully here. When you feel ready, return your focus to your breath, sensing the gentle flow of each inhale and exhale, like a harmonious dance between body and mind. Softly wiggle your fingers, shift your shoulders, or try a light stretch if it feels good. When you're prepared, open your eyes slowly, carrying this calm with you. We are grateful for your dedication to this precious moment of being with yourself, reconnecting and cultivating peace in the present. May the sense of serenity stay with you, guiding your day with gentleness, clarity, and a tranquil presence that brightens every moment.